This is my very lived in, very trafficked garage floor that I did with the Rustoleum rock solid 3 years ago. And it is holding up quite well. We park on this bad boy every day, multiple times a day. We're pulling in and out here. I've got my Accord as the one vehicle that usually goes right here. And then I've got an Odyssey van that goes right there for my wife. There's been no real sign of any type of damage. I'm gonna walk through this with you and just show you the up close and personal dirty edges and corners. This is the worst of it after 3 years of zero cleaning as far as actual cleaning material or detergent down here. This is just the part at the edge of the garage where all the moisture kind of sits. And I actually Googled this, and it's like some sort of effervescent type of staining that's very common. It is not because of the rock solid. This is a common feature of a lot of garages that, like me, garage owners don't actually clean the thing like they should. So I gotta clean that at some point. I haven't done so yet. The rest of it has held up well. There's some dirty spots, but I'm gonna get all the way up close and personal here. This stuff, the chips and everything, they've really held up phenomenally well. Typically, all I'm doing, which I haven't done in a few days, is blowing this out with a blower. Because as you can see, we got kids, we got all sorts of stuff in our garage. I'll show you the other side. And you know, we're not really doing a lot of cleaning. That was the whole purpose of us getting this Rustoleum rock solid, was to put it down and then be done with it. So it looks really nice, nicer than the concrete slab that we had before, and we don't have to think about it. So there's been no peeling or cracking, and in fact, my garage floor, it's basically 4 big old slabs, and I didn't do anything to patch these cracks or little divots. I mean, I did a lot of prep work, but I didn't do like the minute details like that. And it's been totally fine, been happy with it. I give this the 3-year thumbs up still.